Right, so Lone Hunter for Black Mous. In this we need to infill without any weapons and teammates, then kill one operator and exfil. This may sound very difficult, but the easiest thing to do is to just run people over. That's simple. So obviously you'll need a map that you can run people over on. Probably Al-Mazrah would be the best. So first of all we need to remove all of our weapons and just go for it. You can use grenades and fire, etc. So it's not that difficult, but it is still going to be fun. You know what, in fact, let's rather play a Sheikah. Same thing, just different. Of course, you can obviously get a friend to come in and stand around for you. Then you kill them, and I don't know if they can join your team for you to extract, or if you need to extract solo. It doesn't say anything about extracting solo, but it still might be worth it. Alright, so let's go ahead and find a vehicle. Let's get to squishing. So obviously this does need to be a player rather than just AI. That's the difficult bit. So here's a UAV tower activated. Let's go ahead and maybe find someone. Well, I saw them up on the wall, but maybe we can squish them on a second pass. Alright, here we go. And that's a squish. Now that should be it. Yes, it is. Cool. The one operator in the same deployment, now to just exfil without having picked up any weapons. That was easy, actually. Very easy. Oh, nice. Being hunted. That's cool. Let's go ahead and call the exfil chopper. Maybe call the other one just in case, as I am currently being chased. Surely we can catch one of them. Okay, so they're still tailing me, so I need to get in a boat, maybe get a vehicle and head back inland to try and extract quickly. This is quite literally the worst thing that could have happened. Yeah, you're hitting all the nerves, dog. So that was the person tracking me. Maybe they exfilled, I'm not entirely sure. They don't seem to be chasing me. Suppose we can only try extracting once more. Third time's a charm. Oh, thank you, dude. Right, so that didn't exactly go too well. Okay, well, now we're going to get an answer to whether you need to be solo or not when you're exfilling. I don't think so. Okay, cool. It does seem like the mission worked anyways. So you could probably get your friend down and pick them up afterwards to finish the mission completely. Anyways, it's about it for this quick guide, so thank you for watching. My name is BTroubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.